Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Give us a 2 thumbs up. Hope you enjoy the video. Whee! Careful. Aiden's about to ride his dirt bike. I'm going to film you riding. You guys, Ava and Harper are on the quad and Aiden is on his dirt bike. And there he goes. They're off and riding. One thing though, there's a creek over there and it scares the heebie-jeebies out of me, I'm telling you. Right along where he's riding right now, but beyond those trees is a creek. So they have to be very careful. What a big sissy riding her little sissy. So sweet. So cute. You guys, comment down below if you've ever rode a dirt bike or a quad. And if not, would you like to? Don't forget to share the love, smash that like button, and give us a 2 thumbs up. And comment down below. It really helps us, guys, grow our channel. We love you so much.
It flew off.
Did it?
Right, it flew off.
What happened? Dad is trying to mow the lawn, and these little ones are just cruising on by him. Boom! Now JJ's helping Sissy drive his quad. Aww, what a big brother. Babe, not so fast! You guys, we're taking you for a ride. We are on the quad with Jay. Yep. It's going to be a bumpy ride.
There's a wire over there. Do not hit that wire.
Now Ava's cruising over there. Coming up here, you gotta go slow, buddy. One more time around and I'm gonna give Sissy a ride. No, I will next time. I gotta watch her. Slowly though. Stay in our yard. Well guys, it rained on our parade. We got home right on time. Wait for it, you guys. You guys are about to see a phenomenal rainbow. How beautiful. A double rainbow. We live out in the country, guys, so this is our view. And look at the stormy clouds that are going on right now.
But next, the rainbows. Not going away.
Double rainbow. You can see the double rainbow, you guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to see more cool videos like this one. Go to our channel. Bye.
Come here.